So when installing your healthcare facility cable, your HCF, it's important to use MCI-A connectors or HCF rated connectors. Very important. Also very important, pay attention to your installation instructions. This is healthcare facility cable. You can see this larger ground wire here. This one actually gets flush cut because this is in continuous contact with the back strap throughout the MC. There's another type of cable that has a smaller gauge of this wire, and it actually gets wrapped around the core gauge. A lot of contractors will mess this up, and what they'll do, instead of cutting this cable like that, is what they'll do is they'll wrap the larger cable around here, and these connectors are not designed for the outer dimension of this core gauge to be different, so you wind up with a bad bond. That's why it's important to have the proper connector so we can continue the bond to the cable that is already in contact with the back strap of that conductor. Remember, the small one you're allowed to wrap. This larger one, you simply cut it off and terminate it. And that's what it will look like inside of your box. There's no bare wires back there because they have been cut flush. Thanks for watching. Sub for more.